No. Hello everyone, Will here from BubVisuals, and today I decided I'd finally had enough of my setup being overcluttered, so I decided to do something about it. Now what we're going to do today is we're going to move my PC lower down onto another desk so I can utilise this other side desk as a filming area for all my other videos. I also got this pretty nifty little Mac lamp on Amazon yesterday, and I'm definitely going to be using that to clamp my Mac in, which I've been wanting to do for a really long time. Let's go. So in conclusion, the switch back to a much more minimalistic setup was welcome, as I had been wanting to do this for some time, and the additional filming desk is awesome. Thank you for watching. Remember to like the video. If you want to see more content like this, then please subscribe. There's one thing left to say, and that is goodbye.